Welcome to Digressions. My name is Justin, and today, instead of my face and internet footage, I'm going to share something that I've been working on for the past few days. This is a MIDI controlled processing sketch, and here's what it can do. So, one, I can change the size of these glyphs that are basically images. I can adjust the opacity of the background so that it kind of draws. I can add new rows or layers. I'm sorry, new columns and rows. I can, let's get the fade off. What else can I do? Well, I can kind of change the margins. I can change the transparency of the assets. I can also make it so that it stops turning on I think this would be the y-axis, or turn quickly. I can also turn off the other axis, I mean. Let's maybe make it rather slow there. Something else that I can do is I can make it so that the rate of change of the assets in any particular part of the grid will change faster, slower. I can change the aspect ratio. I can change the background and the foreground. I also, and this is something that I'm going to have to fix, I think, I can turn on a color function to tint these assets. But instead of making it random every frame, I think if I keep this, I'm going to make it so that it will only randomize the colors once and then stick with those colors on any given asset. And then if I want to turn it off, instead of having to use the computer, I can just hit this button twice. And that is basically it. So that's what I've been up to for the last few days. And I think I'm going to leave the video at that. Feel free to comment, ask questions, follow, like, and let me just run this up again. And actually, I think I'm just going to play with it for a little while. we go. And let's see where this program goes tomorrow and maybe next week. This is definitely the program that I'm going to make my animation for a festival in. And I got a bit of help from ChatGPT. I'm just learning how to use it as a kind of consultant. It helps me optimize code that I've already been using. I've been learning quite a bit, and I think that this is a promising start.